All right, welcome back, friends. Translate the difference of 10 and the number. You can use your favorite letter to name this number. Remember, this is a variable. You have 26 choices. If we talk about a difference, let's get some ink. We talk about a difference, we're going to use a subtraction because the keyword is difference. So subtraction. 10. You see 10 first, you put a 10 first. And a number, I'm just going to call it a number. And we're done with the first one. All right, let's look at next one. The quotient of a number R and 12, the keyword is quotient. If it's quotient, we're going to build a little house and look like this. You might want to say, hey, this is a fraction. That's right. Fraction is a division, right? And you see a number R, you're going to put R first on the top. And you see 12, you're going to put a 12 here. So it's R over 12. That is question 2. All right, let's look at question 3. 3 says the sum of 17 and W to the 4th power. Remember, this should be together, W to the 4th power. So we're going to say W to the 4th power is here. And 17 is here. What is the relationship? That's the keyword, sum. That's it. All right, let's continue practicing. Next one, it says the difference, that's the keyword, difference of 20 and a number Z. So we have 20 and number Z is no more than, oh, here's another keyword, no more than. I'm going to use difference. No more than should be less than equal to. You see 20 first, you're going to put a 20 down first. And you see Z, and you put a Z here. And no more than, we got done already, 7. That's it. You do not have to solve it. If you want to practice solving, that's all cool, but that's a future lesson. All right. And next one. The amount of money you spend when you start with 200. Good, we got $200 to start with. And now we have a D dollars. That's how much we spend. So what is happening is you use start with, the money you start with. Subtract remaining. Oh, you can say subtract the leftover money. And then you can figure out how much you spend. All right? That's a little story. You're translating it. Last one. You have a bird bath. You put a 2-inch tall cube on a D-inch tall bird bath. So bird bath. And you put a cube here. Okay? And this cube is 2 inches tall. And the bird bath, you don't know, it gives you D. What is total height? Cube height plus bird bath height. Very well done. Happy learning.